HOLADAWN 304 SS Cable Clamp 60-piece kit. Piles number 1, 304 stainless. That's Ostenogenic grade steel. Same alloy class they used in marine hardware and surgical instruments. So, corrosion isn't the threat here. The rubber cushion liner isolates the wire from the clamp edge, which matters on 4-gauge because you don't want the bare metal vibrating against insulation at 12 volts. I needed something that would really grip thick cable without chewing through the jacket. I tried to explain to my youngest why we don't crimp 4-gauge wire with a hair clip. She looked at me the same way she looks at Hinge. Like, the whole concept is outdated and slightly embarrassing. Positive number 2, there are 5 sets in this one kit. A 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. And for stealth trunk install, that's clutch because you've got 4-gauge power runs, signal wire, and ground loops all needing different bite diameters. One kit, one drawer, no second Amazon order at midnight. Hey, a negative, a few clamps arrived oblong, not round, like they got sat on during shipping or something. 401 stainless, work hardens, so you can't just squeeze it back to round without fatiguing the metal at the bend. Inspect yours before you mount them. A deformed clamp on a vibrating 4-gauge run is just a slow motion chafe problem waiting to happen. So the answer you've been waiting for. This 60-piece kit is actually more like 20 clamps. The count, it includes the screws and the nuts. Yeah, that's not necessarily a deal breaker, but when you're routing 4-gauge wire and you think you have 60 anchor points, then you find out you have 20. That's a bad day under a dashboard.